Hi children, welcome to history class. Chapter 1 Revision. What, where, how and when. What is history? History is the study of our past. Where did early people live? Early people lived along the banks of river Narmada. They were called as skilled gatherers. They started to grow crops like wheat and barley and reared animals. Rice was first grown in the north of Vindhyas. The Iranians and the Greeks called the land to the east of the river Indus as India. What are tributaries? Tributaries are smaller rivers that flow into a larger river. What are manuscripts? Manuscripts are old handwritten books. Palm leaf or bark of birch tree was used to write manuscripts. What are inscriptions? Inscriptions are writings on relatively hard surface like stone or metal. Who are archaeologists? Archaeologists are the persons who study the remains of the objects of the past. Who are historians? The people who study the past are called historians. Geography, Chapter 1 The Earth in the Solar System. What are celestial bodies? The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. What are constellations? Groups of stars forming various patterns is called constellations. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Venus is considered as Earth's twin. Pluto is called as a dwarf planet. Earth is called a blue planet. Natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. What are asteroids? Asteroids are tiny celestial bodies found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. What are meteoroids? Small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. This is the end of this lesson. Study well. Political Science, Chapter 2 Diversity and Discrimination. Diversity. India is a country of many diversities. We have 8 major religions, more than 1600 languages, more than 100 dance forms. Inequality and discrimination. Inequality and discrimination occurs when people start reacting on the basis of prejudices and stereotypes. Discrimination happens because of difference in religion, language, customs and traditions, economic backgrounds, etc. What do you mean by prejudice? Prejudice means to judge others in a negative way or see them as inferior. What is stereotype? Stereotype is a negative quality. It does not allow us to view a person as a unique individual. How do we create stereotype? When we fix people into an image, we create stereotype. Caste were created as a result of discrimination on the basis of occupation of people. The group at the bottom of the caste ladder were called as untouchables. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is considered as the father of Indian Constitution. He was a Dalit and he fought for the rights of the Dalits. This is the end of this lesson. Study well for the exam. Thank you.